Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can use Workspace Search. Workspace Search is a convenient feature for finding anything in your workspace. It allows you to locate project updates, tasks, boards, and documents quickly. To begin, click on the search bar at the top. Here we have a search bar, and your recent searches will be displayed below the search bar. Let's say we're searching for a specific document. We will type the document name in the search bar, and a list of all relevant projects, tasks, boards, and documents will appear. At the top of this list, you'll find various filters. If you're searching for projects, simply select Projects. Here we have a list of projects. Since we're searching for a document, let's deselect Projects and we will select Documents. A list of all the documents will be displayed. From here, you can directly open the document or copy its link. Below the document name, you can see which workspace the document is located in and its last updated date. Let's open the document. Here's our document. This is how you can effectively use the Workspace Search. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.